Hi everyone, this is our test automation brigade meeting, and this is today is May 21st, 2020. Just as a reminder again, this meeting is public and will be recorded and posted onto YouTube. There are not many items on the agenda, so today might be a quick call. If there are any things that we want to discuss, please bring it up after these items. So as usual, let's go with the JIRAs. And status. Okay, so anyone wants to go first? Infosys, do you want to go? Hello, can you hear me? Either Hema or Gayatri? Can people hear me? Hello?
Hello, can you hear me, Suchitra?
Yes. Yes, Hang.
This is Gayatri here.
Oh, hi, Gayatri.
So I'm working with 2053 and it's almost done. I will be submitting it by tomorrow for jury review. Thought of submitting it today itself, but couldn't do some issues. So probably I will be doing it tomorrow. And once that is done, I will pick up on the other one. That is 2542.
Okay.
And work on that.
Okay. All right, thanks, Gayatri. Anything from Hema's side?
Hema is working on the ONL soft reboot test case.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
she's working on.
So updating this, and I think I also sent a note saying that there were some changes to the original ONU physical reboot test case, and we already have a test ONU soft reboot test which was submitted a while back, and probably that might also need some updates when I checked. If possible, can you just remind her about that? It's for the AT&T workflow.
Yeah, yes, Sujitra. She is also working on that as well. She's parallelly doing that.
Okay, sure. All right. I don't see a ticket. Probably, maybe she can also just raise it, even though it's just a small update on the test case.
Okay.
Hi, Sujitra. Emma here. Sorry, I was facing some audio issue.
Oh, okay. Sure. No problem. I can.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah. So, ONU soft reboot, I'm working on DT scenario. I look into our AT&T scenario also. But I'm waiting for this ONL upgrade in our OLT. So once it is done, I think I can submit it. But I'm working on the script now.
Okay, thanks, Hema. So when do you think the ONL upgrade will happen?
Yeah, Monday I have to go to office actually to update that. So Monday I'll do it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So yeah, once you're done, you can just send me a note and I'll upgrade the jobs accordingly.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Thanks, Hema. Anything else from your side, Infosys?
No. Any update on Suraj Jira? I think Andy is looking into it.
Yeah, I'm not sure if Andy is in the call. He can talk about it, but I know that.
I'm here. No, I haven't had a chance to spend any time on that. I'm sorry.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, there are some other issues Andy is working on, so probably once they are done, this could take him.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, so is Suraj still working on the project for all Voltha project?
He's not looking into the ticket currently.
Okay, so
He's occupied with some other workers. Yeah.
all right, so so currently
If he gets the review comments, he'll work on it.
okay, sure. Okay, thanks, Hema.
Yeah.
Is Debashish on the call?
Yeah. So I have opened this 296 case, but there was some problem actually while executing the after we merged it, right? The Garrett report, there was some problem actually in passing the test cases. So there was some problem. We had the problem because there was some information in the status file that we were trying to use during execution, because of which the OLT agent was in activating state, was not going into active state. So I made a small change in my local changes in my YAML file, because of which the test is passed. Okay, change the IPA name actually instead of BBSIM to BBSIM 0. So by which the test got passed. But then probably I want to verify your and regarding the test scenario, I'm checking it in. So I can send across you can verify that, and the test is check it. One is one of the libraries actually. So I wanted to make sure that things can get out, then I'll say it.
Okay, Debashish, I was not able to hear you very clear, but I'm not sure others. Were you able to hear him?
No, it was breaking for us as well.
Okay, yeah, sorry, Debashish, I was not able to hear you very clear, but yeah.
Okay,
But,
can you hear me now? One small change in my local changes in. Can you hear me now?
It's not stable or we still noise there?
It's still the same. Maybe we can get onto the Slack and then discuss about the.
Is it? I wanted to make sure. Hello?
Yeah, Debashish, we can still hear you. So if you can get onto the Slack and send me a note on the Slack, then we can discuss about it.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'll send you the details about the test case, what issues that faced along the logs. Probably with that, if you can look into if that can be fixed, then I will check it. Check the test case.
Okay, sure. Or if there is.
I've completed some local actually.
Okay, if there is.
Whether those changes can be done on the real Garrett, if that can be done, then probably I can check in the test case. Check the test case. Actually, prior to checking in, I wanted to verify with Andy or you regarding the test case flow and the logs.
Oh, okay, sure, no problem. If there is a draft patch also, you can just let me know, and then we can go ahead and then you can submit a patch.
Okay, sure. Okay, sure.
All right, thank you, Debashish. Anyone from Matran? Torsten? Okay. There is, I think I need to send a note to Torsten about Gerald. Right now, I think Ove and Gerald are not working on the project anymore. So we might have to reassign this particular scenario right here. Okay. Anyone else want to bring up anything? Hangwei, anything from your side?
As of for this one, 3094, I still waiting the patch for from the peer. Yeah, he has a modified version of the ONOS diagnosis.
Mhm.
So I just finished the prototype of this patch, but still with the new version.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what he was waiting for, but I can recheck and then get back to you on this.
Yeah, because here's he has a new version of the ONOS diagnosis tool.
Right.
More highly integration with the Kubernetes. So just wait.
Okay, sure. I'll get back to you on that, Hangwei. And I see the the patch that you have submitted for these. I will look into it today.
No problem. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, Hangwei. Any other concerns from your side?
Oh no, that's all.
Okay, thank you. Andy, do you want to give an update?
Yeah, I can update. I'm currently looking into 2 issues related to data plane testing. One is an issue with UDP packets being lost at rates well below the reserved bandwidth. So that has been elevated to Broadcom, that issue. But as far as I know, they have something that I think so far we've only seen on the new BAL 3.4, which is sometimes it seems that bandwidth profiles are not being enforced. So the limit aspect of the bandwidth profile is not enforced by the hardware. That's the way it looks. It was just yesterday afternoon that I managed to reproduce this on the ONF demo pod manually, and so we're still looking into that. But we're trying to get a set of steps so that others can reproduce this failure as well, and then people can look into it. So again, I'll update Jira with this information, so it's on the record.
Okay, thanks, Andy. Is there a ticket ID that you raised for the bug? Not yet.
Yeah, not really.
Okay.
There's a ticket up there that just says something like validate bandwidth. Yeah, that one. But that doesn't have any details in it. I'll create new tickets with this other information.
Okay, the bug ticket, right?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks a lot, Andy. Anything else?
Oh, not for me.
All right. Thank you. Okay, so from my side, I've been working to move these jobs to 3.4, and I moved also all the pods to start testing with multi-controller, and there have been some patch verifications and patches that I have been bug fixes that I have been doing. And also, I think the community pods, except I think the Berlin pod is still not with the multi-controller. That needs to be done. Still waiting for Andre on it. And the Infosys pod is still with BAL 3.2. So these are the other two changes that needs to be worked on.
So Suchitra, the,
Yeah.
the Tucson pod is also still running BAL 3.2.
Oh,
So on the hardware test, but I'll try to upgrade that today.
oh, okay. Yeah, I think we need to do that. Yeah, so other than that, looks like Jenkins went down and all these jobs are like flickering. Probably I need to just kill all these jobs probably. Zach, any updates?
Yeah, the VPN went down overnight. Andrea noticed it. I reset it this morning, but I don't think it's had time to reconcile all of the jobs that are being that started. So if you may need to kill a few things, but don't if they're actually running and they haven't been interrupted or hung, then yeah. So for example, I don't know if that one's actually running or if it's
Yeah.
what state it's in. You'll have to look at job by job, unfortunately.
Yeah, sure, no problem. Just wanted to confirm. So now it should be working, right? If I want to start triggering any other job, it should be fine.
If you any other jobs, it'll just depend on whether they're queued up on a on an executor that's being used.
Okay, so I need to check the executor also then.
Right. Okay.
All right. Thanks, Zach. Okay, so anything else in the JIRAs before we move on? Okay.
Send across the details in docs to you and
Devashish, are you saying that you are?
Yes, I have sent across the details in mail also, which we can talk post this meeting.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Yeah, we'll check your email and respond.
Sure.
Thank
Thanks.
you. Thank you, Devashish.
Yes.
All right, so for BAL 3.4 updates, yeah, it's just Infosys that needs to be upgraded and the Tucson pod. Okay. I think rest of the pods are all upgraded, and yeah, and then please note that the 3.4 version for Voltha 2.3 branch is a different file. So you need to download 2 Debian files. So the information is mentioned here in the previous meeting. So you will have to download 2 Debian packages, one for the Volta 2.3 branch and one for the master branch or 2.4.
And okay, thank you. It says check documentation sent an email. Was that sent out? I don't remember.
Maybe I missed it. I'm not sure. Let me resend it if I haven't sent it. Sure, I'll do that, Andy, if I haven't sent.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you. And then the last thing was about the manual jobs and test verification. So since Infosys Pod is already available with these manual jobs that we discussed last week, And if there are any new test cases, please try that before you want to make it not ready, from not ready to a ready state, and want to enable them. You can give a try on the manual jobs that was created last week, and then we can see if there are any questions. You can always reach me.
Yeah, sure.
All right, right. There are no other items on the list, on the agenda. Are there anything else that people want to bring up? Okay. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for your time, and we'll talk again next week.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.